for Opus Pro? It's okay. CapCut now has auto reframing. Simply search for podcast videos on YouTube and add this into the URL to download it. Next, insert the video in CapCut and click on Auto Reframe. CapCut will then auto reframe your video. Next, click on Auto Captions, choose a template, and click on Start. After the captions are created, spice the video up with AI-generated photos from Mid-Journey. Add an overlay to include the photos and use some animation or keyframes to make it better. Here's an example.
This is the part of the story where they are going to rip me apart, dissect me to see what I eat. I mean, every other story in the region that we've heard, that's the ending of it.
Follow me for more AI premium content.